Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty and soft rice pancakes known as Vibibi mchele in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 cups of overnight soaked rice. I've used basmati rice, or you can use any rice that you prefer. 1.5 cup of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of cardamon powder, 1/2 cup of wheat flour. I'm going to use 3/4 cup of sugar. You can add or you can reduce, that's up to you. 1 packet of yeast, which is approximately to 1 tablespoon. And lastly, 2 medium eggs. Let's get started. In a large blender, you're going to add 2 cups of overnight soaked rice. Make sure you drain the water completely. Then you're going to add 1/2 cup of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 2 medium eggs, 1.5 cup of coconut milk, and mix everything well. Once you're done mixing all the ingredients, I've poured 1.5 cup of water, then cover and blend till everything is nicely blended. So I've blended the rice for approximately 7 to 10 minutes till the mixture is completely blended like this. Afterwards, you're going to pour the rice mixture in a large bowl. Then afterwards, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. You can add or you can reduce, that's up to you. And mix everything well and nice. Lastly, you're going to cover using a foil and place it in a warm place to rest for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. After approximately 20 minutes, my mixture has double size, as you can see in the video. Using a soup spoon, you're going to mix it, and it's high time to bake or to cook our pancakes. Place a non-stick pan on a low-medium heat and apply some oil so that the pancakes doesn't stick at the bottom, and let the pan to heat up a bit. Once your pan is a bit hot, you're going to pour 1.25 spoon of the rice mixture. Using a lid, you're going to cover to let the pancakes to cook on a low-medium heat until the bottom part is nicely cooked. Once the bottom part is completely cooked and have this golden brown color and the top part is completely covered with these small bubbles, then your rice pancake is ready, and remove it carefully out from the pan. Repeat the same process until you're completely done with the whole rice mixture. Make sure when you're removing the pancake out from the pan, be carefully so that the pancake doesn't break, and once ready, serve on a plate. And our soft and tasty rice pancakes are ready, as you can see in the video. They're nicely cooked, very tasty and very soft. I'm going to cut one so you can able to see how the pancake is. Enjoy with a cup of tea, coffee or anything that you like, and enjoy these tasty and soft rice pancakes. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of pancakes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram Rukias Kitchen for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.